children have reportedly lost their lives in the stampede that occurred at a carnival in Ibadan, Oyo State capital. The incident occurred in Basharun area of Ibadan on Wednesday. The exact number of casualties is still unclear. However, a statement by Dr. Oyelade, Commissioner for Information and Orientation, said victims have been taken to different hospitals across Ibadan for treatment. A stampede occurred at the private children's fun fair held at Basharun Islamic High School, leading to loss of lives, mostly children, with some others injured in the early hours of today, the statement reads. The state government swiftly mobilized a rapid response team following the breaking of the incident. Victims have been swiftly transported to various hospitals within the Ibadan metropolis for medical attention. Parents who are concerned about the whereabouts of their children are urged to check following medical facilities in Ibadan, where children affected were taken for proper medical attention with valid means of identification. The medical facilities are Partners Hospital, Basharun, Western Hospital, Basharun, Ring Road State Hospital, Molly Specialist Hospital, University College Hospital, UCH. On his part, Seyi Makinde, governor of the state, said that measures have been put in place to prevent further death at the venue, achieved by deploying security agents to restore order. The Oyo governor said primary organizers of the event that led to the stampede have been taken into custody as investigations continue. Earlier today, an incident occurred in Islamic High School Basharun, the venue of an event organized for families. Sadly, a stampede at the venue led to multiple loss of lives and injuries, Makinde wrote on X. This is a very sad day for us here in Oyo State. We sympathize with the parents whose joy has suddenly been turned to mourning due to these deaths. Though the state government didn't reveal the identities of the organizers, findings by Punch Online revealed that the fun fair was organized by the ex-wife of Oni of Ife, Queen Naomi Shilekunla Ogunwusi, in connection with Agidigbo 88.7 FM Ibadan, owned by Oriyomi Hamzat. On Tuesday, Agidigbo 88.7 FM Ibadan on its Facebook handle announced that Ogunwusi, who is the founder of Women in Need of Guidance and Support, was at the station ahead of her 2024 Children Fun Fair, which was to be held today, Wednesday. The post reads, founder of Women in Need of Guidance and Support, Her Majesty Queen Naomi Shilekunla Ogunwusi, in the Kule Hamzat studio, ahead of her 2024 Children Fun Fair. Speaking during a special program on Agidigbo FM, Queen Prophetess Naomi Shilekunla Ogunwusi is set to host 5,000 kids between the ages of 0 to 13 years across Ibadan for free, under the Ages of Wings Foundation. Olori Naomi Ogunwusi revealed that the event, scheduled for Wednesday, December 18, 2024, at Islamic High School, Basharun, Ibadan, is strictly for children, and they will win exciting prizes like scholarship and other bountiful gifts. Olori Ogunwusi also assured parents and guardians of adequate security for all participants of the event. The Oyo governor reassured residents that anyone directly or remotely involved in the disaster will be held accountable. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more verified and real-time updates.